Others section. In this section, we walk you through the settings module where you manage your company directors notification and system defaults. Company directors. First, let's look at company directors. Here, you can add, remove or manage company directors. Be careful when assigning this role. Directors have almost the same level of access as you unless you choose to restrict their permission under the management section. Default module. Next is the default module setting. Whatever module you choose here becomes the default dashboard view for you and all your staff. So whenever anyone logs in on any device or browser, the system loads this module first. Select the one you want and save your changes. Reviews and messaging. Here, you can control your company's communication options. By toggling reviews, you can choose whether clients can leave reviews for your company. By toggling messages, you can decide if clients and staff can send messages within the platform. Notification settings. Next is your notification preferences. You can choose the type of notification you want to receive. If you toggle the main switch, all notification types turn off. Then you can select individually the notifications you still want to receive. Click Update to save your settings. Notification sounds. You can also customize your notification sound. This works on the mobile app, web browser, and software. Choose the sound you prefer, click Update, and you are done. Each time there is a new message or notification, the selected sound will play. Reset and restore. If you ever make too many changes and get confused, don't worry. You can reset any section like management by clicking Reset, or you can restore all settings back to default just as they were when you first created your account. That's a complete walkthrough of your settings module. Use these options to keep your system organized, secure, and tailored to your company's needs. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more details, visit our website at www.ourproperty.com.ng. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.